Google I/O is an annual software developer that is focused conference held by Google. The conference was first held in 2008 and has since become one of the most popular and highly anticipated tech events in the world. Here are some key details about Google I/O. Typically, it held in May or June every year. Its location is Sherlin Amphitheater in Mountain View, California. It's of the duration of 3 days. It focuses on Android, Chrome, Google Cloud, AI, machine learning, web development, and more. It targets the audience like software developers, designers, product managers, and tech enthusiasts. Its format is keynotes, sessions, codeables, workspace, etc. New products releases, feature updates, and strategic partnerships are announced here. Keynotes and sessions are live streamed on Google I/O website and YouTube. Google I/O offers a unique opportunity for developers to learn about the latest technologies and innovations from Google, network with peers, and get hands-on experience with new products and tools. Google I/O is an annual software developer that focused conference held by Google. The conference was first held in 2008 and has since become one of the most popular and highly anticipated tech events in the world. That all is based on technology, improvement, and enhancement. Let's talk about some key highlights. Android 15 and generative AI. The latest Android 15 updates and features related to generative AI were showcased. Gemini API. Google announced the release of Gemini API, enabling developers to integrate generative AI capabilities into their Android applications. Flutter. Updates related to Flutter including Gemini, games, Android performance, and experimental Dart language features were presented. AI tools. Google showcased its latest AI tools including the Gemini API, Google AI Studio, Gamma, and more. Android developer tool updates. Enhancement to Android developer tools to improve workflow with Android APIs were announced. Firebase. Updates to Firebase were presented, focusing on harnessing the power of generative AI to build modern and dynamic apps. Play. The latest tools and updates to help developers grow their businesses on Google Play were showcased. Chrome OS. New app capabilities and operating system integrations for Chrome OS were announced. Angular features. The latest Angular features designed to enhance developers' experience and performance were presented. Browser features. Updates to browser features and baseline making it easier to understand browser support were discussed.
AI and art, the intersection of AI and Art featuring renowned media artists Vivek and Art, etc. AI-powered storytelling, E.g. Katmal, a Turing Award winner and former British president, shared insights on AI's role in empowering storytellers. AI for researchers. Google showcased how AI can assist researchers and scientists in finding new paths forward and tackling significant challenges. Quantum AI. The Google Quantum AI team shared the latest developments and facts about quantum AI. Google